In this video, I'd like to show you how you can embed a video from YouTube into one of your Schoology classes. First, of course, you're going to log into Schoology and go to Courses and open up the course that you would like to add the video to. I have a sandbox course, which is just a playground for me to show examples of things. All right, after you are in here, I will add, you can add videos to a number of things in here. I'm going to start by adding it to a page. And we'll just call this test YouTube. And I can put some instructions on the page for the students and then move down where you want the video to go. Okay, now I need to go to YouTube and find the video. So I have already queued up this video on solving quadratic equations. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit the share button. And I want to, there's multiple ways you can put things into Schoology. You could just copy this link and put it on the Schoology page as a link, but sometimes on a student's iPad, this link can be a little contrary. I've had better luck coming up to the top and getting this full entire link if I want to do it that way. But really, my favorite way of putting a video into Schoology is to embed it. And embedding it means that it will be right on the page for the student to view. They don't have to go anywhere else. It's right in Schoology. So again, I hit that share button. Now I'm going to hit embed. And I can choose copy. It will copy this code that I need to embed it. Now back over to Schoology. Hit the insert content button and choose image media. Choose from the web, media, and paste that embed code into the empty box and hit insert media. You can see it put a yellow box in. That's the video. I'm going to just remove those extra spaces there. And it looks like maybe it didn't work right, but it actually did. It's there. And I just hit create. So now when I visit that page, I can see that the video is there and the students could just hit play and watch it. So that's one way to embed a video into Schoology. You also can embed videos on things like a discussion board. You can follow the same directions on the discussion board. Maybe you want the students to watch a video and comment on it. So comment, so watch and comment. And you can put some directions here, of course, for the students. I'm going to type them all out. And then the same way you can insert image media from the web media, and you'll paste the embed code right here. Now, just to show you something a little different, I'll go to my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos in here. I'm just going to pick this random test video and pause that, and I'll hit share and again get the embed code and copy that and go back and paste it in here. So you can see whether it's your video or somebody else's, it's pretty much the same process in Schoology. You just have to go and get that embed code from YouTube. So now remember, this is a discussion. I could set this up with however I want to set it up and put the video in there, hit create. And now when the students go into that discussion, the first thing they see will be the video, and then they can have their discussion about that video below that. Now, that's not the only way to add videos to YouTube, videos to Schoology, but that's how I like to do it. Whether you're doing that on a discussion or in an assessment, you could also add videos, lots of places, and it all works the same way. I'm going to go ahead and add another page in here just to show you one other thing. All right, let's do another YouTube test. Some of you may have noticed right in here, there's a button that you can add directly from YouTube. And you can do this and it works fine. So hit YouTube. The only difference here is you have to search for the video within this rather than finding it just in another browser tab and copying it. So maybe I want to look up solving systems of equations. And I can search and find the video of my choosing. Once I find the video that I like, I can check this box and hit the import, and I want to import as embed. And that will do the same thing as it did by going to this other menu and hitting image media. It's just another way of doing the same thing. And again, it will just add that video right onto your page, so it's easy for the students just to click on. I suppose if you really wanted to, again, it could be in a number of these things, including assessments and discussions and pages, you could just go to YouTube and copy the link from up here. Rather than copying this embed code, you could just copy the link from the top area, and you could insert a link. Maybe I'll type click here to watch the video. And I can highlight the words click here, and I can click on this link, and I can paste my URL there. And this, notice, is different. It just is a link to the video. So the first three examples I showed you, I embedded the video. This example, I just linked the video. So now when I come in here, I just have a link. When I click on it, then it takes me out to YouTube. I personally don't like to do that method because once you're on YouTube, you then have all these other things on the side. Kids can get distracted and go down lots of different rabbit holes and end up spending, a lot of time on this YouTube, in YouTube, looking at things you didn't really want them to look at. So I kind of showed you how to add that link, more of so I can tell you why I think it's not the best way to do it. I personally feel like the best way would be to embed the videos. That way, again, here there's the video. They hit play. They don't see any other stuff around the edges. It keeps them from being tempted to go to other things. So that's how you add videos into Schoology. Hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.